Hey guys, finally, if you're watching my how to solve Rubik's Cube series, I'm finally making a step 7. So yeah, I need to grab my cube. It's over there. Wait, so I'm gonna mix this up and do step by step. Oh wait, forgot I was doing this beginner's way, not the expert way. Then that, then that, then that, then that. 3. 4. 5. 6. Okay, so we're up to here. So here's what you're gonna do. Look on the entire cube. Always make sure the white is on the bottom, no matter what. So look around the cube and look for a pattern. For example, these blue, red, blue, blue, red, blue. It could be red, blue, red. It could be green, orange, green. It could be red, green, red. It could be glue. It could be blue, green, blue. It could be blue, orange, blue. But yeah. And then once you have a pattern, see the 2 corners? They're blue. So you're gonna align those 2 corners with the blue color. So also, just in case you don't have a pair like this, just say you can also use this orange, orange, green, or red, red, blue, or green, 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 red. As long as these 2 are the same color and there's a random one, it doesn't matter what color this one is. It could be orange, orange, red. Okay, whatever. So if you don't have that, you can align it, the orange, orange, yep. But if you don't have any, just align anything. But since we have this, we're gonna align it with the blue. The blue. So I'm gonna set this up. 1 sec. Okay. So when you have your pattern at the back, at the front, you're gonna move it to the back. So turn it twice. 1, 2. Now, watch very, very closely. The thing will be in this corner right here, I think, or the other corner. One of the corners. I think it's this one. This one. Where my hand is, right here. It's hard to point when you're upside down. So, yep. Hold on. Okay. Oh my god, much better. Much, much better. Okay, so when you have your pair at the back, do this. Down, so right down, front to the right, right down, the back, so like this, go to the yellow side, like this, and turn the top twice, then go back, so the yellow is at, so the yellow is at the top and the white is at the bottom, then the right up, the front to the left.
Grandma's gonna sleep.
Okay, just quickly.
Come on.
Wait.
Hurry up, Julie.
Just wait. Oh my god. Your grandma needs to go to bed. But let me finish this video first. So, right down. Go back to the front. top 2 layers. Go back down. Right. And that's it. You should have something similar to this. If you don't, do that algorithm again with the pattern at the back until you get something like this. Well, it should be lines like that. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!